Well, there is growing concern tonight. The stress of this outbreak could put the youngest in Northeast Ohio in danger. News 5's Mike Brookbank tells us why child advocates are sounding the alarm and asking us all to do our part.
When children show up to class each day, teachers can typically tell if there's something wrong with their little learners. Maybe it's something they hear or something they see that tips them off. Well, now, with schools shuttered, victims of child abuse find themselves without that safety net.
The community that we rely upon to see our kids every single day and to tell us what's happening aren't there.
Tamara Chapman Wagner is the Deputy Director of Cuyahoga County Children and Family Services.
Right now, we have huge concerns that our children are out of the eyes and ears of the publics.
The lack of resources they rely on comes at a crucial time.
When family stress is high, when they don't have the resources and supports, when daycares start shutting down, the tension gets high and children are at higher risk for abuse.
Cleveland police confirming that is in fact the case.
Their calls are up around domestic violence and abuse. We know it's still going on. That's the sad part, and that's why our staff are still out there on the front lines.
Dozens of social workers still ready to deploy despite the spread of COVID-19.
All of our direct service workers are being dispatched from home. They still have active families that they're working with, and they're continuing to work with those families.
Let's go, me!
Child advocates encouraging friends and family to use technology to stay connected with loved ones.
If you see anything, if you hear anything, if you have concerns, our hotline is still open.
Those with concerns about child abuse can call 696-KIDS. A team of 43 social workers man the hotline around the clock, ready to check on the welfare of any child.
We would need to determine, is the home safe enough to go into? So our workers have been advised to, take that pulse before you go into a home.
Despite coronavirus concerns,
it's almost normal operations, but from a distance.
Children and Family Services still prepared to remove a child from a dangerous situation. Doctors at Metro Hospital will evaluate them.
That's a triage process that we've always done when removing children from homes.
Until classes resume, Children and Family Services is hoping we will all step in for teachers.
We don't have those eyes and ears right now, so it's even more important that the community stay alert.
Reporting in Olmsted Falls tonight, Mike Brookbank, News 5.